Hello everyone. Good morning all of you. Today we are going to organize one day national webinar on pandemic COVID-19, its preparedness and preventive measures. As we know that COVID-19 is a respiratory disease. It is caused by a new coronavirus which is known as SARS coronavirus 2. Due to its highly contagiousness, it is spreaded all over the world within very short period of time. The first case of COVID-19 was reported in Wuhan city of China last December 2019. Keeping in mind, most of the countries around the world have imposed public lockdown, and including India. Central government as well as state government trying to cope with this disease by imposing the lockdown time to time, and even state government has issued several regulations regarding the educational system for the sake of health of students as well as educational professionals. So with these intentions, we, the Department of Zoology, botany, in association with our internal quality assurance cell as well as computer department, has decided to organize one day national webinar on pandemic COVID-19. First of all, I'd like to thanks JT Trust and management for their valuable cooperation and financial support. And secondly, I would like to thanks again for our honorable principal for allowing us to organize this type of webinar. Now, I would like to invite our honorable principal, Dr. Ansari Muhammad Harun Ramzan sir, for their presidential speech. So, please welcome our honorable principal, Dr. Harun Ansari. Sir, please come.
Hello. Thank you, Ismail sir. Good morning, all the dignitaries, staff members, participants, and students. It is an honor for me that I welcome to all of the dignitaries, staff members, participants, and students. I, the principal of this college, welcome to all of you behalf of JT Trust, behalf of JT Arts Science Commerce College, behalf of staff members, and behalf of students. It is a great pleasure for us that we organize such beneficial and fruitful webinar for the participants, and I hope that it will be very successful and knowledgeable for the participants. I appreciate and congratulate the departments of botany, zoology, and computer science that they arrange such successful and beautiful webinar for the participants. At last, I give my best wishes to this successful webinar, and now I conclude my speech. Again, at last, I welcome as well as thank to all the dignitaries and participants. Thank you.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, everyone. It's a matter of great pleasure and pride to announce that JT Art Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon, is organizing today one day national webinar on pandemic COVID-19 preparedness and preventive measures. I, the coordinator of IQAC, congratulate both the departments of zoology and botany for realizing, in collaboration with IQAC, this national webinar. I appreciate the HODs and whole team of both the departments for for their contribution in such a quality initiative. I think all the supporting members, students, dignitaries should be given the credit for making this day possible. And no doubt, we all are feeling proud for conducting such a quality work in our college. So I won't take so much time of yours. I will just conclude my speech with warm wishes for all the team, for all the departments who have taken active part, and all as well as all the students, all the participants for making this webinar a successful or making this beginning at least a successful beginning. I wish you all a grand success and best of luck. Thank you so much.
Good morning, all of you. Myself, Dr. Yahya Khan, Head Department of Botany. It is a matter of great pleasure that our trust has given us opportunity. The chairman of our institute, Honorable Nihal Ahmad Ansari Sahib, to give us opportunity to organize such type of webinar on the current burning issue. Now, I would like to call our teaching coordinator, Dr. Salma Abdul Sattar ma'am, to give the speech on behalf of our trust.
Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of you. On behalf of JT Chairman Honorable Ansari Nehal Sahib, JT Management, Principal, Staff, Students, we welcome you all in the inaugural session of one-day national webinar on pandemic COVID-19 preparedness and preventive measures organized by Department of Botany, Zoology in association with IQAC and Computer Science. First of all, I congratulate Dr. Pathan Yaya Khan, HOD Botany, Dr. Omera, HOD Zoology, Professor Munawwar, IQAC Coordinator, Professor Faizi Razi Anwar, HOD Computer Science, and team members Dr. Khan Romana, Dr. Mohammad Ismail, and IQAC team for organizing such type of wonderful event on the burning issue like COVID-19 under the banner of JT College. We salute their sincere efforts, coordination, and collaboration. Wish you all the grand success of the national webinar. Thank you and have a healthy and joyful day. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Now, the inaugural session has been over. Uh, for this webinar, we have a great intellectual personality from the field of medical science, Dr. Abdul Razak Abdul Hamid Qureshi sir. He is a consultant and researcher in clinical nutrition. Uh, he his work on different diseases. Now he is associated with government of Maharashtra as a health and diet practitioner. In case of the uh, police department, they are been facing with the corona pandemic disease, and he is working as a dietitian and the nutritionist in Solapur. He published different national and international papers on the aspects of different diseases like hypertension, obesity, cardiovascular diseases, in case of pre and post diet advice. In 2018, he was a speaker at Amsterdam, Netherlands, in the international conference for the field of medical science. So I really thanks to him. He accepted our invitation on behalf of our trust. So now I would like to come in the urge of our session. So I would like to invite Dr. Abdul Razzaq Hamid Qureshi sir. So sir, you can join sir.
रिसोर्स पर्सन को एडमिट करने को बोलो ना
हाँ उनको सर Razzaq sir, you join sir please.
क्या नाम से
क्या है गया नहीं उसको अनम्यूट करो बोलना खुद को Spotlight for everyone. लगा क्या फोन
हाँ सर आप अपने आप को अपडेट कर लीजिए ओके और वीडियो भी ऑन कर दीजिए
हेलो
सर अनम्यूट कीजिए, मेरी आवाज आ रही है? देखो मेरी आवाज आ रही है।
मेरे में नहीं आ रही।
आप जो बोलो डॉक्टर साहब।
हेलो हेलो
अभी आ रहा है वॉइस।
हाँ दैट्स ओके हेलो इसमें रहिए
कुछ नहीं करना है, ये मोबाइल को यहाँ पे रख दो, आप कंटिन्यूअसली बोलो। अब इसको भी टच मत करिए।
हाँ जी।
उनसे पूछिए।
बाकी
हेलो।
के लोग अपना म्यूट कर।
अच्छा अब आ रही है क्या डॉक्टर साहब की आवाज? जी जी हाँ। आप
अब आ
कंटिन्यूअसली
रही है सर।
दूर रखिएगा इससे।
कैमरा ये नहीं
नहीं नहीं, मोबाइल इससे दूर रखना लैपटॉप से। एक काम करते हैं। सर आप चेक कीजिए, आप प्रोसीड करो सर, कंटिन्यू।
हेलो
हेलो, आ रही है क्या अभी?
हेलो
हाँ अभी आ रहा है आवाज।
ओके चलिए ओके
हाँ,
टुडे वी
network
आर
का थोड़ा-
डिस्कसिंग
लेकिन आवाज तो आ रही है ना? आ रही है ना continuously? हेलो,
today we are going to be discuss a pandemic disease that is a coronavirus. Before this starts, we have to be know about what is a
वो आप चलने दीजिए, आपका आपका चलने दीजिए, आपका वॉइस ये सिर्फ नेट का प्रॉब्लम है थोड़ा सा। मैं दूर जाऊंगा
यहाँ
ना
से
तो
नहीं इसका यहाँ से
हाँ वही तो, नहीं नहीं वो आने वाले हैं आवाज।
हेलो एक जन अपने आप को ये कर दीजिए ऑडिबल कीजिए तो जरा वॉइस का समझ में आ जाएगा प्लीज।
आपका वॉइस प्रॉब्लम है तो मैं आपको टच कर रहा हूँ, अभी देखिए अब चल रहा है आपका वॉइस।
As the pandemic disease of the coronavirus, we have to know what is the exactly sign of symptom of the coronavirus to first, because it's the most important thing. Either should we diagnose a disease or know the what is the exactly sign of symptom of the corona disease. So we go for it only. First of all, we see the person who is affected for the corona. The sign of symptom will be developed as a running nose, fever, smell loss, taste loss, malaise means body ache, cough, and breathlessness. Somehow, this kind of the symptom, if suppose will be developed, we will consider as a corona suspected person. There is a high risk for the corona, that is a old age person. Exactly, the male is most probably affected than the female. However, the menopausal women also.
वॉइस ब्रेक।
हेलो
हाँ सर अभी आ रहा है।
आ रहा है अभी ओके।
हाँ
पूरा आवाज आ रहा था अब तक जो बोला हूँ मैं?
आ रहा था, बीच बीच में थोड़ा कट हो रहा था।
अभी आ रहा है?
अभी आ रहा है।
ओके तो शुरुआत से शुरू करूँ कि अभी से शुरू करूँ?
शुरुआत से शुरू करो।
अच्छा ठीक है। See, actually on this the pandemic disease, that's the corona. Corona is a virus. It is a smaller than the bacteria. So today we are going to be discuss what is the COVID-19 and what's the preventive measure we should take about it. Exactly before it, we have to go for the understanding the what is the sign of symptoms of the corona. There is the sign of symptoms included. The first is running nose, sneezing. Second is a fever. Third is a malaise, means the body ache. Number third is a smell loss, taste loss, or cough, breathlessness. So who are the higher risk of this disease? The disease most probably the old age person. The male is the most affected than the female, but the menopausal woman, thus whose the menstrual cycle is stopped, she is also the high risk. With this, the autoimmune disease, also the person who is suffering for the autoimmune disease, there is a many disease which autoimmune disease is having the high risk for the infection of the corona. Or risk factor in the diabetes mellitus patient, cardiovascular disease patient, and hypertension patient.
ब्रेक हो रहा है।
Hello. Hello. The complication will be start.
This is not clear.
Hello. Can you audible me? Hello.
Yes.
Hello. at the 4 to 5 days, the complication will be start. The complication is the relevant to the respiratory system, neurological disorders, and abdominal complication also may be rise, but abdominal is not that much of complicated as compared to the respiratory system, because the virus will be enter in the nasal cavity, will enter into, because of ACE inhibitor, enter into your cell, and the virus is going to be replication in the cells, and it's start to be replicated in the body, and from nasal cavity to its enter into lungs. Actually, the investigation relevant to this, that is the antigen, antibody, RT-PCR, CRP, D-timers, and radiological finding, as well as the neutrophil count, absolute neutrophil count is important. There is another suspicion for the vaccinations, that are the messenger RNA and evocated vaccination. Yet the FDA is not approved, it's under trial. But evocated vaccine is the most, that part of the virus is going to be introduced in the body, and we get the immunity against the virus. This is the basic fundamental of immunization and vaccinations. However, we've seen the more than the 700 doctors are there in our country, or other health workers, due to corona diseases. What is the preventive measure for the corona, for the cross infection? That is the wearing of the mask. Second thing, whenever you wear the mask, there is a highly insusceptibility to be enter virus by through the nasal cavity to your lungs and your body. The wearing of the mask is the most important to be wear whenever you will out of your home. Second thing, the properly hand washing. How you will be your hand you will be washed. That is the one hand, the exactly procedure for it. You just take the sanitizers. Just put some kind of the sanitizer on your hand. Rub it properly from front side. Rub it from the back side. Another back side. This side. This side. This side. This side. Interfingers. And this is the exactly procedure to be wash your hand. Whenever you will be go to the out of your home or doing any activities, the avoid of complication is the most important. Yourself, you need to be away from a person who is suffering from the running nose in public places. Yourself, you should avoid it. If you seen the some kind of the symptoms which is correlated with the corona disease, you have to be stay at your home. That is a one time of the prevention to be spread coronavirus to the others. Here I to be say something about it only. It's my observation. According to Islamic points of view, we are doing wuzu. Wuzu, washing the hand properly, or you're washing your part which is exposed to your environment. If you're doing wuzu properly, the 5 times, there will be time to be some kind of the prevention for the corona disease also. Okay, mostly the children who are mostly the asymptomatic corona disease carriers. You just avoid to be kissing them, avoid inhalation of active and passive smoking. The smokers or smoking which directly inhaled in your respiratory system. Now, if you talk about the herd immunity occurring in the society, we see that most of our relatives, friends who pass away due to corona disease. But this times it's not to be fear about the corona disease. We have to be managed. You just keep your mind. The virus, particularly the coronavirus, their incubation period is not more than the 7 to 4 days. 7 to 15 days. We have to take the prevention for the 7 to 15 days when it's enter in the body. So it's alive in the body for the 15 days. After that, the immunity will be developed at the person. So those who is infected, we have to be adjust them, or after the passing of the incubation period or recovery, we cannot be neglect them. We give a respect in the society to such patient. Baba, you came and fight and cross a disease and come into your routine life. After 15 to 20 days, it is a non-contagious person. He cannot be spread of corona disease to the others. There is a main kind of support he need, or in society we also need. If we are lost, our relatives, our friends, our family members in corona disease. So we need to be give some psychological support to them. What's the psychological management for the corona disease is that, first of all, we have to be support them as the moral points of it. You are infected enough, now you are non-contagious. No problem. If you will eat with me, you will be drink with me. There is a no problem. Second thing is that the meditation also play a very important role. Meditation in sense of what? You have to be avoided your bad memory from your subconscious mind. What have to be do? You just concentrate on the one God. Yourself, you're surrendered to them. Just like I will say that namaz also one of the meditation. It's and the God gift for us. So we talk about the wazu, and second thing is the namaz. Now we'll go for another thing. That's a indoor play. Whenever the person is coming out from this tragedy, he had to be mind diverted himself. So indoor play like the caroms and other, it's a very beneficial to be mind diversion. So indoor play I especially suggested after infection or during mild corona symptom is seeing, that time also you manage such kind of the principle for the supporting to the corona persons. Hello. That's after that.
गया गया।
अब तक सुनने आया था क्या? अच्छा,
हाँ बिल्कुल।
हेलो.
आप बोलिए, आप आ रहे हैं।
Now, after the mind diversion, we will go for the a process for the psychological management, that is a positive thinking. Whatever was occurred, it's okay, not finished. You have to be adjust in the society. That is the main important thing. You think what is your hand and what is your routine activity, how to be I perform. That's also included in the management of corona disease as the psychological points of it. Counseling is a very important role. You just contact to the counselor. He will allow you how to be divert your mind toward from the corona to the your routine life. If you see the post-coronal management, if complication is not seen, no need for the medications. A person is a suffer from corona disease. He pass out the 20 days. He is having no complication of the corona. All symptoms, sign symptom is evacuated. Then after there is a no medication need for the corona diseases.
फिर से बैकग्राउंड आवाज आ रहा है.
हाँ, देख रहा हूँ.
नेट की वजह से हो रहा है। नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं करना, ऐसा कुछ नहीं करना।
बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक बहुत डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है. बैकग्राउंड का देख लो इसमें.
अगर बंद किए मैं तो सब बंद होता है।
नहीं, इसमें देखो बैकग्राउंड टेस्टिंग में. If the person is symptoms after the corona disease, there is no need for the treatment. We have to be think about second thing is that if the person is healing under the 14 days suffering from the corona disease, he should be isolated from society. Now the 14 days is important because the virus having the incubation period in between it only. To prevent the spread the diseases, we have to be take preventive measure, that is in contact with the infected person, that's a corona infected person. Second thing, the stay good environment area. That's a good environmental area means in the fresh air. You cannot feel the suffocations. Do not stay in the congested area where the suffocation is occurring. Watch a person is suffering from the corona disease. Watch regularly O2 level by oximeter. Drink safe water. It is also one of the most complicated thing part for the air. That's chlorine water. It may sometimes create a problems. One thing you have to be say, okay, do not use hair dye because it is a inhalating allergen compound. To avoid hair dye, do not contact with the fumes. Do not contact with the fumes. Avoid the food allergen. That's also the one of the best preventive measure for relevant to the GIT systems. Avoid inhalating allergen in contact, that is a pollen grain and polluted air. You should avoid, which is a 0.3 ppm.
इससे बैकग्राउंड आवाज ज्यादा आ रहा है।
हाँ जरा बहुत डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है यार, फर्स्ट टाइम हो रहा है, अभी तक हुआ नहीं है, पता क्या है। ओके, बहुत ही डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है इसमें। तो just stay into the clean environment from the pathogenicity. Do not hesitate to be discuss about your experience of the corona with the others, but it should be in the positive way. Good healthy food you should take, and take the advice from the dietitian. That's a boosting diet, which is in the very beneficial effect to be control the disease during the infection and post-COVID infection, even for the society, even for the, you can prevent yourself. You get the immunity against the corona disease, definitely get good immunity against to the fight with the coronavirus. However, you are the botanist, the allium cepa and allium sativa, that's the onion and garlic. It's having antiviral activity. Gingerbread is one of the best remedy which act on the respiratory system and as well as act on the GIT system also, which reduce the pH level in the stomach. You must take daily intake of such kind of food regularly. At least you take 3 to 4 allium cepa and 3 to 4 allium sativa. Means 1 to 2 bulb of garlic daily and 3 to 4 onions should take daily. Ginger, that's a 10 to 20 gram daily you should take in your routine food. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid, it's also main food which can fight against the uh, coronavirus. That is a lemon, santra secret food which is included in vitamin C and ascorbic acid content foods. Cinnamon and calamari also prove that good mode of action for fighting against the coronavirus, and it's having its own pharmacognosy value.
बैकग्राउंड आवाज में आ रहा है। हाँ अभी क्लियर होगा।
चल रही है।
Exposed to the sunlight, sunshine vitamins, vitamin D also play a very important role. Even though I wrote to the Maharashtra government also, as per need of the nutritive value for the corona pre, during the corona disease and post corona. So vitamin D also very essential part. You should expose to the sunlight at least 5 to 10 minutes. Hello. Hello. If you see a person is affected by the corona diseases and he suffered the 14 days already passed or near about the 20 days passed, no need for the worried about it. You can treat as a symptomatically to the patient. If a person giving some kind of the complication of the diseases, which is not due to corona, because it's due to your body response. There's a neutrophil. Later on, we'll discuss about it only. Okay, whenever the 20-day will be passed, please support to the patient for the corona disease because he is a not carrier for the corona disease. More especially after 20 days, the complication because of what I tell you, because of your body response, not for the corona diseases. He is not active infected for the corona disease. His complication because of his own body. That is a cough, pneumonia, and other thing. Later on, we discuss about it. If the virus is totally evacuated from your body, the body, but yet inflammation mechanism are present in his body. The inflammation mechanism will be cause the complication. I will give you some kind of the example. If you hurt something in your body, you get the redness, pain, but that is the inflammation. But if you get the pulses after some time, there is a self defense will be occur by the body. The inflammation will be occur around the abscesses. That inflammation will be caused the complication. Virus is not the causing the after the passing the 20 days. So what I to be do? It should be under supervision. If complication will be rise, the person should be under supervision of medical advice. The so most probably the pneumonia is developed. After pneumonia, the chances of the fibrosis is the most medical problems over their own. So fibrosis, what happened? The consolidation of the lungs, hardness of the lungs, the sponges of the lungs will be decreases, and that is a permanent damage to the lung cells. That's called the fibrosis. You will see the most of the patient complaining after the corona disease, his cough is not stopped after 20 days, yet the coughing is over there. What we will do, that's the basic, if inflammation is going, you have to be noted C-reactive protein investigation for it. C-reactive protein value, it is important in the body, what kind of the inflammation, at what stage is going on. It is a measurement for the criteria of the inflammation in the body. So CRP level, it's an important determination investigation to determine what kind of the inflammation is going in your body after post-COVID infection. The virus is already passed away. Virus is not in this body, but the complication because of over self body. That body mechanism, the inflammation over, that inflammation will be reached to the complications, that is the pneumonia and fibrosis. For such kind of the patient, the emergency will be needed. It should be under supervision of medical advisor. Simultaneously, we can be managed according to investigation of a CRP test. Their question will be rise, if a person is under the complication of the coronavirus, it should be isolated? No. There is no need for the isolation. We need only the medical care for it. Isolation is not important in complication, but medical emergency he need under should observation of the medical supervision. Society should support to them, should encourage to them for recovery of the such patient. Do not think this part is already, I'm further telling you that whatever the infection, cross infection period is over after the 20 and 25 days. Now the post-COVID problem is starting. In this, the medical emergency will be occur. Actually, what happening? The whenever the corona will be entering the body, it make intralumen clotting. The viscosity of the blood will be increases. That poses the complication for diseases. The person is already having some kind of the problems like the hypertension. What happening the hypertension? That is, we say the atherosclerotic factor. Atherosclerotic factor in sense of what the viscosity of the blood is increased. There is a blockage in intralumen arteries or veins. Because of the clotting, that blockage will be occur. If suppose it will adhere to the heart, it will possess a cardiovascular problem, that is a CCF, congestive cardiac failure. If suppose it adheres to the brain, there is some kind of the stroke or paralysis will be occur. So what main problem related to corona virus, that is making viscosity of blood will be increases, that causes the higher complication in the body. So we see that after the coronavirus, sudden death will be occur. It is only the one of the causative factor. So we have to be watch a person, thus who having the history of the hypertension, STN, cardiovascular disease, diabetes mellitus. We have to take prevention from direct contact with the corona person to the person. Or if a person are infected, to that person, they person need a medical guideline or medical emergency over there. Later on, we will discuss about the sign and symptoms, body in mechanisms of every person is a different. Every person's having their own immunity, like children's having good immunity to fight against the virus, the older having less immunity to fight against the virus. So how you will be prevent it? We have to be prevent such kind of the person from reinfection. I have to be said that a person, there is a chances of reinfection of corona is over there, but most probably the severity of disease, the corona, it will be occur after 3 months. If suppose a person is suffer from the corona disease, 3 months, not to be worried about him, that there is a chances of recurrence of corona disease. Corona will be occur chances after the 3 months. Most probably the health worker and doctors are reinfected because corona, because they are already in contact with the ward and patient, health worker, वगैरह. They are most probably, but you have to be say that after recovery stage, there is a less chances of the complication. You don't, there is no need to be worried about if suppose the recovery, after the recovery stage, second re-attack of corona will be occurred. That time you should have to be further isolated from the society. What's immunity? As per the herd immunity, we see that mostly in India, up to 21, there is a chances the coming after the this completing of this year 2021, there is a chances the evacuated coronavirus the problems of the coronavirus will be minimized because of the herd immunity. Please unmute. Please unmute. So we see that I already spoken about the RT-PCR test, D-dimer, antigen, antibody. Now we discuss about the antigen. Antigen test, when the acute is, whenever the corona will be enter on the body, the antigen will be test will be positive. But the post anti corona, you will find the antibody will be developed and antibody test will be positive. We see that the presently the more than the 700 I told you, more than the 700 doctors and health worker was died in India because of cross infection of the corona diseases. But such now the situation is a different. We are immune ourselves. They are the one ICMR study report is there. Okay, 1:30, one person is infected to 30%. Most of we people get the immune against the coronavirus at least for the 3 months. So that's why I advise you not to be worried about. You can be test yourself for the corona antibody. You can be determined that okay, if you are immune or not, or the infection is touch and away from you. Because some kind we see that the many patients are the asymptomatic. They won't develop any sinus symptom for the corona. The mild symptom were developed and they are recovered because of their higher immunity. So how will we determine? That's by through there is an investigation available, that is the antibody test. You can also determine yourself you are post infectedly affected by corona or not. If you get the complication, if the person is getting the complication during the treatment or post treatment, I previously told you that CRP, C-reactive protein, it is a important investigation for the determines the inflammation. The value 1 is a normal, 1 to 3 is a active, and more than 10 is a severe inflammatory will be occurred. Or most probably CR will be CRP, C-reactive protein will be increased even though the rheumatoid arthritis and other inflammatory disease also. So if the person who's having already infection for the rheumatism, fever and other thing, they are not to be considered themselves. Okay, I am also, if your sinus symptom preventive corona is not developing, so they know not to be worried about it only. He should take the care and take the medical opinion for the competent medical authority authorized person. If viscosity of blood will be increases, inflammation will be increased, cytokinase, blood immunity is low, then the chances of complication is more. I told you okay, how to be prevent. To be prevent from yourself from the infected person by through the isolated, thus was the incubating period, means 13 to 20 days, that's a post infected period, to whom the RT-PCR was positive and determined as a corona diseases, corona infection. I have to be mentioned it only. Okay, may if suppose a person who's having the history of acute respiratory problem, acute respiratory means the instance, the presently short time period, the respiratory problem is occurring. Please do not work from your home. Do not contact any meeting. Do not go for the pray as a namaz and other things only. You should keep the distance for yourself also, even you are the non-active for the non-detective for the corona infection also. That is a major, this is a preventive measure. We have to be fight against the corona disease. Whatever do, the some kind of steroid we give 400 milligram, 4 to 20. If steroid given to the patient and he is not getting the result, then we have to be think for the complication for the corona disease. We spoken about already what is the high risk of the patient. That is the high risk of the patient are the old age person. Male is from most prominent the female. Number third is a autoimmune disease person like the HIV, rheumatoid arthritis, and other thing. That's patient also having the many problems and complication will be seen. What I to be say, one thing is important, that's if you feeling the headache in corona disease, you have to be check your HB percentage. Headache more correlated with the your HB person also. Most probably due to anemia also, the HB is increasing. For that, HB is decreasing, less than the 10 milli. For this, if a person is affected, it might be because of hypochromic microcytic anemia. This is due to ferrous iron deficiency. So we have to be take, if you are feeling headache, to iron rich food, I should advise to be add here in routine diet. That's so pneumonia will develop RT-PCR skin at same time the coronal will be maybe chances to be affect your liver also in complication condition. Not I'm telling the incubation period after completion of whatever the virus is damaged your organs and which organ is involved. That is main important to be determine it. According to that, we can manage a disease for it, or we can be give dietary advice to the them. So we are spoken about number thing how to prevent the disease. Was the positive factor of the diseases, and what the psychological how to we will manage the and how we will support to the post coronal person or the infected person. Now it is a very important thing that we have to be discussed in this pandemic. What will we do if reinfection will be occurred? As I told you, if the person is suffering from second infection of corona, is no doubt it is a contagious or cross infect a person to the another, but the ratio of mortality and morbidity will be very low. Such patient pain in the dental caries should not be neglected. Classical multiple inflammation will also seen in complication of the coronary diseases. So if you seen the post coronal disease, the person is already completed is 14 to 20 days. If he is contacting to you, to not to be worried about yourself, okay, he is a contagious person. The isolation now is a 14 to 20 days. It is enough. However, your family member it observed the pulmonary fibrosis, bronchitis, and prevent irreversible lung damage will be seen. So it's need a medical emergency. So in advanced cases, patient should be IPDly admitted in hospital, and their management should be under competent person or ICU unit may be required, included ventilations. Once the fibrotic changes will be seen radiologically, the ground glass consolidation seen, there is a most chances of recovery for the lungs is very less. Be prudent. It is a coronal post infection, post problem, but it's not a because of the corona diseases. However, I have to be say that therapeutic diet in the base of the physiological status is a very important for the curing the diseases and management of the planning. The nutritional disorders, second most important under parameter to study to the correlevant to the disease of the nature and for the treatment of almost all diseases. Nutrition important is very essential to be control and curing the diseases. Clinical nutrition will play a very moderately preventive role for the disease control. Almost all the disease come under the supportive and specific nutrition and balanced diet to the prevent and control the diseases. Without proper nutrition support while treating the diseases, improper significant result will be given. Whatever I explained to previously, statistically, we noticed that without nutritional expert support in acute and chronic condition, delay for the result, orientation or remaining the prolonged illness in the condition of the malnutrition, other nutrition deficiency. Actually, you are taking the 0.5 milligram tablet and you are thinking that is having the its own pharmacological action and possibility to cure the disease. Why not? You are eating near about the more than 2 kg micro and nutrient per day, and it's and every having its own action in our body, and it is essential for the our body to be alive. Whenever see the malnourished patient is most probably affected, and post-coronal complication will be seen in the malnourished person or malnourished patient only. Thus, that's Islam. In Islam also, sir, there is a benefit. It is a compulsory task to be pay some kind of the taxes to the poor person. So when the malnourished patient are infected, there is a more chances of the complication of corona over there, because he won't have the proper food, he is not well nourishing, and the corona is easily attacked to him and getting showing their complication to their own. And severity of disease come under critical care, which can be controlled by the expertise only. On the other hand, the healthy proper diet intake person can be tolerated well, but he or she need to be specific diet when the endemic or pandemic disease spread need to be protect from the contamination or cross infection by mean man to man or other contagious causes. The other contagious causes means the even though it's seen that he, yeah. So, yeah, recommended diet in I wrote to the government also that antioxidant, superoxide, bismuth, serofloxacin, transferrin, beta carotene, alpha tocopherol, hydroquinone, phytolytic, antiviral active drugs like allium C2, allium sativa, immunoboosters, vitamin T, alpha linoleic acid, DHA, omega 6, omega 3. This is the main component which will be help to the uh, corona patient, those who are infected, or to prevent the complication also. Thank you very much. Any cross question answer? Hello. Q&A. Any question relevant to
Uh,
this?
Thank you, sir, for a very informative session on the different concepts of COVID-19. So now the session is open for question. So if any have any question, so please ask your question in the chat box so that we can forward it to our resource person. It's request to all the participants if they have any question regarding this session. That lecture was given by Dr. Abdul Razak sir, very informative lecture, and we are very much thankful to him. He accept our invitation uh, on behalf of our JD Trust. We are thanking you, sir. Okay. So I think, sir, there is no question from the participant. So,
You may ask the question.
sir,
Because
one,
these sessions are very important for this event. Whatever the speaker will be speak,
yes,
so
sir.
that is a very enthusiastically I to be think how they are understand for such kind of the
Yes, sir.
speak.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So,
Yes, you may ask in the, even in
yeah,
Urdu or
yes,
Hindi
sir.
also.
Uh,
Hindi also.
no, sir, I don't have any problem. But one
No,
thing
no,
I
I'm
want.
not talking about for other persons. I'm telling.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. If any have any
Other
doubt,
audience.
other participant for other sir was asking for other participants. So one thing I want to share you, sir, with sir. Sir, if anyone will contact after this session by messages or by, so I will, I can I forward your number or your mail ID? So that's why they will.
Sure, why not? Even though I got my website also, back it because that's a payable. No, no problem. If directly contact me, so I will pick up his call even and by through the social media also.
Okay, sir.
I,
Okay, sir.
that's okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing your valuable knowledge and a very informative lecture. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
I'm very much telling this one the excuse from my side to you, okay, because some kind of the audit problems we can not properly either from your side or my side because of technical problem.
Yeah.
So please excuse me for it.
No, sir. That was actually a technical problem.
Yes.
So, so no need to. That was a technical problem. It's not
Yes.
in my hand or your hand. It is a technical problem.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you very
Most
much.
welcome, most welcome. And
Okay.
most of you, I will say, last give one suggestion to all of your participants. I know that please take care with the Vazu. Vazu is a very important in this session. I tell you, even the meditation also one of the best part for the people. Even though I think I to be share it that only
आप लिंक उनको ज्वाइन हो जाओ हाँ लिंक पर ज्वाइन हो जाओ है ना सर ओके
I,
सर
I seen in the mosque also, okay, you will feel that okay, even though more above the 90 years, those who are regular in the prayer 5 times in namaz, I saw that such feel yet alive.
ओके सर
Okay,
ओके सर थैंक यू सर
so most welcome.
ओके सर
Okay, my best wishes for you and everybody and your platform also.
okay sir thank you
Okay,
sir
thank you very much.
thank you sir now I request to participant now we move towards our next session it is what's it, sir Dr. RB Andade sir in within 5 minutes he will join with you now I asked to Dr. Humera ma'am the head of the zoology department. He will introduce the guests.
वो करते हैं म्यूट कर देते वो।
बैठो ना बैठो हाँ? अभी ये आटी नहीं है ना हेलो गुड आफ्टरनून गुड आफ्टरनून I am Dr. Humaira Madam. I introduce you with our next speaker, Dr. R.B. Andhale sir.
बंदा छुट्टी पर है।
He is assistant professor in KTHM College, qualified MSc, MPhil, SET and PhD. He has very broad biodata, worked as a research fellow on biodiversity research project, PESFAD, Pune University. He is guide to research students, completed 2 projects of science dissertation. His 4 students worked on the Bachelor of Agriculture and Biotechnology. He has research award from Sigma 11th grants in aid of research award of $2,500 during academic year 2017 and 18 from USA. He also received second award from Savitribai Phule Pune University during the PhD studentship of rupees 4,24,000 during the academic year 2014 to 18. He visited USA at the Taxonomy Southwestern Research Station. He has also very broad research publications in national and international journals. So, with such broad biodata, I would like to call upon Dr. R.B. Andhale sir. Please, sir, join us.
Yes. Hello.
Hello, sir.
I am Dr. Ramnath Andhale. I am audible now?
What? You are Andhale sir, na? Hello, sir. Hello. हाँ तो ये इधर नहीं नहीं हेलो सर
क्या नाम है?
क्या बोल रहे हैं अंधेले सर ये देखो नहीं सर
डॉक्टर
आरबी अंधेले अंधेड़े हाँ हाँ ठीक है ये सर फोटो ले लो मेरा